In celebrity's birthday, today is the birthday of Luke Timothy Grimes, professionally known as Luke Grimes. He is an American actor and musician. He was born on 21st of January in 1984. Today he is celebrating his birthday of 39 years old. He is known for his role as real-life Navy SEAL Marc in acclaimed film American Sniper. He played Christian Grey brother Elliot in the 50 Shades of Grey and its sequel 50 Shades of Dark and 50 Shades of Fate. Other movies he played in are All the Boys Love Mandarin, released in 2006, Where Eagle Arkansas, released in 2007, Assassination of High School President, released in 2008, Shit Here, released in 2010, The Wait and the Line in the Night, released in 2011, Taken 2, released in 2012, Stars, released in 2013, Shooters and American Sniper, released in 2014, Manhattan Undying, released in 2016, The Magnificent Seven, released in 2016, El Camino Christmas, released in 2017, Into the Ashes, released in 2013, Happiness for Beginners, released in 2023. He also appeared in some television series like Brothers and Sisters, released from 2009 to 2010, Outlaw Country, released in 2012, True Blood in 2013, Yellowstone, released from 2018 till today, 50 Shades of Fred, released in 2018, 50 Shades of Grey, released in 2014, 50 Shades of Dark, released in 2017, and many other movies. Wishing happy birthday to Luke Grimes. Thank you for watching.